Good morning, guys. Welcome back. I didn't upload. I didn't work day 8. Had a family day. Took the family to a pumpkin patch. Just enjoyed the whole day. Went out to eat. So today, like I promised, I'm going to try to aim for $500 today. I started not bright and early, but I started early. I started at 7:45. Right now it's currently 9:45. Well, it's about to be 9:45 in a couple of minutes. And I've taken 3 orders so far. I will put them all here. I'm dropping off this last drop off, and so far within the first 2 hours I'm around $81. So not too bad of a start. So we're doing pretty good. I'm gonna have to make a total of $419 left, around, give or take. And it's totally possible, but I'm getting to the moment where I'm kind of getting hungry. So yeah, I'm probably gonna get something to eat and keep working, but I'll get back to you guys. Alright guys, so quick update. I was planning to update every 3 orders, but so I had gotten a $37 order, whatever cents. It's supposed to be an express order. So essentially the express orders, they're supposed to prioritize over any order, and you're supposed to get it right away. So long story short, I got the order expecting it to, like, man, it's a good order, 1 drop off, it's gonna be fast. I'm there and I'm waiting for 30 minutes. I'm like, you know what? There's cars, and there's not many cars. Like, I don't know what's going on. I asked a guy, and they're like, oh, I think they're still getting it ready. So I wait for another 15, and that's where I'm like, no, you know what, screw this. I literally wasted almost a whole hour waiting for an order. I could have just dropped it and done another order. Even if it would have been a $30 order, you know, like, could have made money for that. So long story short, ended up dropping up the order, dropping it off, not dropping it off, like just taking it out. I called support. I'm like, hey, I don't want to wait for this order anymore. I've been waiting for so long. But I do want a compensation from it. So they gave me a $2.50 compensation for the whole hour. So it's gonna bring my hourly rate bad. I'm kind of mad. I gotta lie. Like, makes things harder for me to touch the $500 today. But I ended up getting another $37 order with a couple cents. So I'm gonna add that one here. But like, man, that could have been nice. Could have finished that one. I could have done this $37 one, and I would have been at 121 plus 37. I would have been like almost at 160 right now, and it's 11 right now. So like, that would put me in a good spot. But no worries. As long as I'm at 250 by 2, I'm in a good spot. And then I'll do another 250. But I'm gonna go drop off this order, and then on the way back, I'm gonna stop by Panda Express to drive through. I'm gonna pick up an order still. Like, I'm gonna choose an order. I'm gonna go drive through. Be maybe a little bit, like 2-3 minutes late to pick up the order while I'm munching out. I'll get a picture of you guys. How's it going, guys? Another quick update. So the $137 order that I just did, they tipped me $10 in cash. So that's a total of $47 order. And I just got another order with $33. I'll put it right here. And that should be shaping me up to be around $162 within 4 hours and a half, maybe 5. Depends how long it takes me for this one. So far we're okay-ish. I did still waste an hour. That 1 hour is to be 162 plus 37, 190. That I would be at like $200 in 5 hours, but whatever. We're gonna grind it out hard. Hopefully there's no more mistakes done. I'm still trying to touch those $500. And around at night is where I make the most money, because nobody's really working. So I can average like 50 an hour. But let's get to it. I am still very hungry. I still haven't ate. It's about to be 12. So I need to get some food in my system. So as soon as I pick this order up, maybe I'll drop it off first, and then after that I'll get some lunch or something. And that's right next to Walmart, so it's gonna be there. It's gonna be a quick drive through. Let's gotta get it done. Oh, how's it going, guys? Well, I did 3 more orders. I don't remember how much they were. They're like 35, 36, and 30. 35, a 36 one, and a $29 one. They're gonna be around here for a little while. And I don't know. They've been taking forever to give me the orders, and I'm only at like 310. It's about to be $310. So I have 5 more hours to make 190. Yeah, it might be possible. I might still touch the 500, but I was getting really discouraged, and I had grabbed the $25 order, but I got here and the app still said getting ready. I'm like, you know what? I dropped it, and as soon as I dropped it, there's a $48 order for 8 miles. I didn't even see how many things. Like, that's a really good order. It's gonna revive me, so I took it. I'm gonna put it right here. So hopefully they give it to me pretty fast. I'm still waiting here. There's a lot of cars, so they're still gonna take a little while. But once I get the order, I'm gonna probably go to a different Walmart. It seems like this Walmart it's really good orders, but it's very busy. So I'd rather be in a Walmart that's not as busy, but $20 orders, $25 orders, and do like 2 in an hour. So I'll probably go to Woodstock after this, but I'll keep you guys updated. So hi guys, after that order, I ended up doing 2 more orders. Put them right there. I got to $378 and a couple cents. I'll put the final total, and then so I literally worked 12 hours. I got an hour, almost 2 hours of my time wasted, because it's not their fault. Sometimes the app, when us drivers, we have issues, and sometimes the stores have issues, so like it wasn't working. These stores usually very fast to give me my orders, but they were taking forever, and I only have 2 more hours to make 130 bucks, 140. But like, I don't see it happening. Maybe if they were working like they usually do, they probably short staff or something. But I don't see it happening. So I'm like, you know what? I'll take it before I get more frustrated and like make mistakes. So I ended up the day there. I did not deliver the 500 bucks, but I will make it happen next Sunday for sure. Hopefully everything goes well. But I'll break the earnings once I go inside the house, and I'll see you guys in the next one.